I was reading about an increased number of cases of kennel cough in several states. What is kennel cough? What are the symptoms and what animals are affected by it?
Sure. Kennel cough is a respiratory infectious disease that's passed between dogs. Usually, dogs exhibit sometimes lethargy and a hacking cough. It can progress to something more severe where they're not eating, where they're very lethargic, and where they're febrile. And that's especially when you want to take your dog to the veterinarian. Usually, it happens in social situations where it's most infectious, such as doggy daycare, dog boarding, and different areas of the dog. It's recommended to keep your dog vaccinated at least every year, but sometimes up to every 6 months if they're going into these social situations.
So it's very much like the flu in dogs, like what we often see. Is it easily treatable and can humans contract kennel cough?
So it is a very treatable disease. Actually, usually it is self-limiting and resolves on its own. Sometimes dogs need antibiotics that's prescribed from a veterinarian to help them get over that disease. And that's usually because of secondary bacterial infections that happen with kennel cough. Humans, it's really not a zoonotic disease per se. Humans really don't readily contract it. It has been shown in some studies that humans may get it, but it's not common at all.
You know, the one thing I do know is that kennel cough is pretty noticeable. Like it's that cough that you notice. It's an interesting cough, isn't it?
It's like a dry hacking cough. Sometimes that can be confused with vomiting.
Yeah, so that's the time when you should actually get your dog in. Obviously, during this pandemic, we have to make sure that obviously every member of our fur family is healthy, including our fur family, right? So is there anything else you'd like to say, I guess, to pet owners out there?
If you have any concerns at all, I would contact your veterinarian just to be on the safe side that your dog needs vaccination, and then get your dog in as soon as possible when they're exhibiting any signs that you may be concerned about.
All
And
right.
then also, people can go to sdumaine.org for more information on how to keep their pets healthy.
Wonderful. Thank you, Dr. Chapman. We appreciate you.